Okay, so what are some of the advantages of alternative dispute resolution? To start with, it leaves the parties generally with a little more control than you have in litigation. Second, it's typically faster than litigation. Litigation can take a long time, especially if the discovery process is drawn out for a long time. Third, it's generally cheaper. Attorneys' fees associated with civil litigation, court costs, the other players in the court system that may require a fee, such as filing fees with the clerk of court's office, private investigators if they're necessary, service of process, other things like that. The cost can really add up in civil litigation. So alternative dispute resolution can generally be cheaper than that. Alternative dispute resolution, oftentimes, say in arbitration, would involve a fact finder who is chosen because of their level of knowledge and expertise. In that way, you would not be using a jury, where a jury oftentimes may not have knowledge or expertise regarding the dispute between the parties. So that can be a big advantage for the parties. It can be kept private. So the parties, they negotiate a settlement, they go through mediation, or they go through an arbitration. It can be kept out of the public record, where generally, except in certain circumstances where the record is sealed, the legal documents or information from the courts is public record that people can find it out. And then lastly, alternative dispute resolution can allow the parties to continue a beneficial relationship. They can continue on, say, in business, doing business together in, say, a vendor-supplier relationship or contractor relationship. So where oftentimes civil litigation can be so expensive, so drawn out, and can become so combative that the parties sever or rupture their relationship. So any of these factors are benefits that parties will consider and sometimes choose alternative methods for resolving a dispute.